Hello Mango, welcome back to the 30 Days of Purpose, a Pilates journey with Moving Mango Pilates. And today we are going to pick up the pace with a cardio Pilates session to build energy and momentum. And if you're ready, just roll your mat and let's move with purpose.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after all.
Alright, so let's start by sit up tall. Open the chest, abs all the way in. Take a deep inhalation and exhale deeply. Inhale and exhale. We are going to inhale to create the momentum, and exhale. We're going to move with purpose. Take another inhale and exhale deeply. And that's great. Open your arms, open your arm to the side and start to make a little pulse with the arms here. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5 and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and exhale. And one more deep breath and exhale. And that's so good. We are going to go on four position so that we can start for the work today. Come to on four position. Open your arms, shoulders apart, and your legs hip width apart. Tuck your feet. Now press your hands down so that shoulders away from the ears. If you have a delicate wrist, you can always bring your forearms down on the mat. Press your forearms down. If that's the case, lift the knees up, hold it, and hold it here, up all the way in. Take a deep breath and exhale deeply. And just hold it for just so that we can get to the intensity. And exhale with just breathing and focus on the breath for a moment. Inhale and exhale. And lower the knees down. Now we are going to start the momentum here. So lift the knees up and lower down, lift up and lower and lift up and lower, and 7 more. Ups in. Press your forearms down, look to the middle of your hands. And 5 and 4 and 3 more and 2 and last one, and lower the knees down. And you can start to speed up now for as quick as you can in 10 counts. So let's do it together. Press your forearms down, lift up and lower and speed up. And up and down and up and down and up and down, up and down. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one, lower the knees all the way down. Great job, alright? So now we are going to lengthen your arms again. Put your shoulders away from the ears, and again just bring your forearms down like before if you feel like it's easier for your wrist. Press your hands down, lengthen your leg and lengthen the other leg. Open your legs hip width apart. Put your shoulders away from the ears. Start to walk your feet into the center and open to the side. And walk in and open to the side. And 3 more at the slow pace. And 2 more. And open. And last one. Stabilize the hips. And bend the knees down for 1 second. Take a deep breath. And exhale deeply. We are going to pick up with the speed now. So lengthen your legs. Come in and go out as quick as you can. And come in and go out. Come in and go out. And as quick as you can, guys. Keep breathing. And 5 and 4 and 3, abs in, and 2 and last one, knees bend. Come to rest pose. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply to your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. And 1 more deep breath and exhale deeply. And slowly roll up. And now we're going to go back on your own four position again. Open your arms, shoulders apart, and your legs hip width apart. Now move your hands forward. Lengthen the spine. Your shoulders on top of your wrist. You see if you can bend the elbows and close the elbows in and push down and push up. Open your arms a little bit if it's easier for you, but make sure you close the elbows in when you bend the elbows down. Engage your abs as much as you can and push. Lower your torso and push up. And lower and push up. And one more. And push up. And come back. And now we are going to lengthen your legs. Come to plank again. Now this time, lift one leg up, lift the other leg up, lift one leg up, and lift the other leg up. You can also do your forearms down if it's easier for your wrist. And two more. To the left, and last one. And to the left, and bend the knees down. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply to your nose, and exhale. Now let's try to speed up here. So lengthen your legs, kick up and kick up and kick up and kick up. Stabilize your hips, go as quick as you can. And 5, 4, 3, 2, press your forearms down and bend the knees all the way down. And come to rest pose. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply to your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath. And exhale. And sit up. Alright, now lay down on your back. We are going to curl your head up. Use your head to support. And open your elbows wide. See if you can go up even higher. Pull the belly button all the way in. Push your legs to 45 degrees and lengthen your arms. Start with 100 here. If it's easier for you, if you're a beginner, you can always bend the knees in and curl up higher. Start to pump your arms. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5 and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Straighten your legs to make it more challenging. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5 and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 more. Use your whole arms to pump. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3 more. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2 more. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5 and last one. Curl up even higher. And bend the knees all the way in, head down. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath. And exhale deeply. Very good. Now we are going to lengthen your legs all the way up to the ceiling. Use your hand to hug one leg. If you can go all the way up to the ankle and curl your chest up, feel free to do that. Lengthen your opposite leg to 45 degrees. Open your elbows and switch. And switch. And switch. And switch. And abs in. And switch. Look towards your knees. And switch. And now speed up. And switch and switch and switch as quick as you can. Stabilize your torso. Pull the belly button in. Very good. And exhale every time you switch. And 5 and switch, and 4 and switch, and 3 and switch, and 2 and switch. Last one. And bend the knees all the way in and head down. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath. And exhale. Very good. And we are going to take another deep breath and we are going to come back to the cardio infused movement. Legs up to tabletop, heels together, toes apart. Now stack your hands on top of each other. Use your hand to support your head. And you're gonna open your elbows wide so you're gonna curl your chest up even higher. Lower the heels down. Bend the knees, open your knees. Push your legs out and bend the knees in. Stabilize your torso, push out and come in. Stabilize the hips. See if you can curl your chest up tiny bit higher just so that you can really deepen that abs. Press out and come in. And 4 more. And 3 more before we speed up. And 2 more. And get ready guys. And last one, now speed up. And 10 and 9 and 8 and 7. As quick as you can. 5. The quicker you do, the more you're gonna feel in your abs. And 3 and 2. Abs in. And last one. And head all the way down. Take a deep breath. Bring your feet down. Twist your knee to the left. Press your shoulders down. Twist your knee to the right. And we come back to the center. Wiggle your hips a little bit. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath and exhale deeply. Beautiful, guys. All right, so now we are going to rock all the way up. We're gonna do rolling like a ball. Legs up, hug your hands at the ankle, open your elbows wide, heels together, toes apart. Look to your belly button, round the spine to C curve. Now, make sure that you keep the same distance between your knees and your chest the whole time. You're gonna rock up to the shoulders and then rock down to the shoulders and rock up again. And chin your chest the whole time. Let's do it together. Rock down and rock up and rock down and rock up. Use your abs, guys. Rock down and rock up, abs all the way in and down and up. Keep the C curve. And 5 more and 4 more and 3 more. Lift the hips up high and 2 more and last one. And don't bring your feet down when you get up. Just stabilize here for 1 second. See if you can lengthen your legs. Come to teaser. Open the chest, engage your abs. Hold it, take a deep breath. And exhale, close the legs in, lift the arms up, and slowly roll all the way down, each vertebra at a time. And bring your hands down. Great job, all right? Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply, and exhale deeply. Awesome. Now, lengthen one leg and opposite leg up. Rotate the knee externally, arms along the body. You're gonna bring your leg over the midline, circle around, and come back as quick as you can. And circle, stabilize your torso. Open your hands a little bit wider if you feel like it's easier for you to stabilize your torso. And circle and up. And 5 more. And 4 more. And 3 more. And 2 more. And last one. Now opposite direction. Go over and come back. And go over and come back. And circle and in. And circle and up. And 6 more. And 5. Press your opposite shoulders down. 4 and 3 and 2 and last one. And bend the knees all the way in. Feel a little stretching. Rotate your ankles and reverse. Lengthen your leg all the way and flex your toe, flex your ankle. And come all the way back. Let's switch to the opposite side. Arms open, shoulders down, leg up, rotate the knee externally, go out, circle and up. And 10 times in total. And press your opposite shoulders down and circle and up. And circle and up. And 5 more. And 4 more. And 3 more. And 2. Last one. Great. Lock opposite direction 10 times. Go over and come back. And go over and come back. And 8 more. And 7. Abs in. And 6. And 5. Stabilize your hips. 4. And 3 and 2 and last one. And bend the knee all the way in. Rotate the ankle and reverse. Lengthen your leg up to the ceiling. Flex the ankle, pull the leg in. Feel the back of your leg is stretching. And come all the way back, butterfly stretch. Feet together, bring your knees from left to right. Take a deep inhalation through the nose. And exhale deeply. And just gonna stay here for 1 second. Inhale, relax your legs. And exhale. And lift the legs up, open your legs. Feet down, but knees point up. Arms along the body. You're gonna do a little bit of bridging. So curl your hips up, roll your hips all the way up. Press your head down, roll down each vertebra at a time. And 3 more times before we finish. And roll all the way down. And 2 more, round the spine and go up. Squeeze your butt, come back. And last one. And just hold it here. Press your head down, reach your hands down. Lift the hips higher to open that hip flexor. And roll down each vertebra at a time. Wiggle your hips. Take a deep breath again. Inhale deeply. You can rotate your palms facing up now. Just relax here for a few seconds. Exhale deeply through your mouth. You can lengthen your legs if it feels more comfortable for you. And again, inhale. And exhale deeply. And 1 more deep breath. And exhale deeply. And when you're done, bend the knees in, rock yourself to sit up. And that is fantastic work today. You build a momentum that will carry you forward. And tomorrow we are going to slowing down with reflection and relaxation. So I hope you have a great day, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow.